Viking Hood RVCH330 30 inches stainless steel chimney wall hood with 460 CFM interior power ventilator. Variable speed controls, heat sensor, delay feature, and adjustable duct cover. Mesh filters made entirely of stainless steel for durability and long life, efficiently remove grease and heated vapors from the air. Dishwasher safe filters are easily removed for quick cleaning. Design of low-profile filter system means less interior hood space to be cleaned. Interior of range hood canopy has stainless steel liner for increased rigidity, seamless appearance, and easy cleaning. 460 CFM interior power ventilator ships standard variable speed control for custom venting. Halogen lights for better visibility and efficiency. Dimmer on lights allows custom lighting. Separate on/off switch allows consumer to leave dimmer in favorite position. Heat sensor turns ventilator on full power when cooking temperatures reach uncomfortable levels. Delay feature allows consumer to set the ventilator to shut off on its own from 10 to 30 minutes. Recirculating kit with air purifying charcoal filters available and sold separately if exterior ducting is not desirable. Specifications ideal for replacement of older, traditional style hoods with minimal cabinet alteration. Adjustable duct cover comes standard with product. Available in stainless steel, SS, white, WH, black, BK. Shop for Viking range hoods at Elite Appliance. Access our appliance catalog at eliteappliance.com.